Hello everyone, my name is Hanuman. Today I'm going to tell you about Vlookup function in the Microsoft Excel. So Vlookup is a very important function and it is used to find out the value of one entity with respect to another. For example, here you can see a tabular. The first column, that is B3, it contains the heading name and C3 contains the heading rank. So these are the names and these are the rank of the particular name. So what we need to do in VLOOKUP function is that with the help of VLOOKUP function, we can find out the rank of, for example, here Fez, what rank did he get with respect to this table, or what rank did Jackie get with respect to this table. So this is a very important function because let's say in this table there are 100 names and only one Jackie is there in the 100 names. So it would be very difficult for an individual to find out where Jackie is and then see what the rank of Jackie is and then mention in the table here. So with the help of VLOOKUP function, it becomes very easy. So I'm going to tell you two steps of VLOOKUP function, and the second step there is a little problem. So you tell me what's the problem in the second step. So the first step is very simple. So every function starts with an equal to sign. So after equal to, you just type VL and you can see the VLOOKUP. Press the tab button and then VLOOKUP function will active. So now you can also see what's the formula here. So the first thing is lookup value. So lookup value is the value that we want to find out. So this is the lookup value. We need to find out the rank of the name by the name Fez and then comma. So table array. Table array means from which table you need to find out. So this is the table that we need to find out. And uh, the next thing is column index. So what is the column index means? What is exactly that you need to find out? So we need to find out the rank, and rank comes in the second column in the table. So press 2 and then again. So you need true. So the next thing is you need to either select true or false. True means, for example, there are two fields, then and if you click on true, then it can give you either of the rank. But if you want the exact rank, you click on false, select false, and then press tab, and then your formula is done, and then close the tab. But it's not done. You can see the value is there, but when you, yeah, when you go down, you can see the value of Michael, it's not there. The value of Michael, it's not there. The reason being is that this is the formula for Fez and this is the formula for Jackie. Did you see anything different? Let's go again. For the formula of Fez, you can see that the table selected is the entire table that is in the red borders. But when it comes to Fez, the Michael uh, name and rank is not there in the table. The table is shifted one step downward. And same goes with Hyde. Hyde goes three step downward. And Michael also goes two step downward. So the reason being is that in if you are not selecting your table per clearly, then each step down, your table will also shift down. So you need to select the table properly, right? So to select the table properly, what you can do is that I instead of clicking on the table, you can click on the entire column. So see, this is the entire column and this is again giving the exact value, and if you drop down, see, you will get the perfect answer. So each time before, the table was shifting one step down. So when it comes to Michael, Michael is actually the first name and the rank is 3. So instead of going so because it was going down, Michael could not enter because it is on the first side, first name of the in the table. So this is the reason why it's not there. Another reason why, another method how you can do VLOOKUP is that uh, select VLOOKUP, lookup value is fetch, and then table is this. You can fix the table. So by fixing the table, you can click on, uh, you can give this dollar sign, so your uh, table will be fixed. So see, but again this is happening. Even though I have fixed this, but still the Michael rank is not being shown. So help me down in the comment section. What is the reason why I'm not able to see the rank of Michael instead of putting dollar sign on B4 and C9? Thank you so much for watching, and please do learn Excel. It's an amazing, amazing tool to have. Thank you so much.